What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left, good job! Well done! That was off the rails! Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Where to now? Right leads to the rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! Was off the rails! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! We all love your train set. Which way do you want to go? Left leads. Right leads to the tunnel. Left, the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to the tunnel. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Forward leads to the town. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Where to now? Forward leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Good job! We all love your train set. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to, next stop, Kid Mouse Sheds. Right leads to Knapford Station. Next stop, Kid Mouse Sheds. Forward leads to, next stop, Cannonball Curve. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? That's perfect! Forward leads to Knapford. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? Excellent! Absolutely! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Where to now? Left, next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the super! That's the way! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to, next stop, Kid Mouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Well done! Super! That was off the rails! Where to now? Right leads to the lava quarry. Right leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to the lava quarry. The steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to the Sodor Steamworks. The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash of the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which way do you want to go? Right, to Brenham Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. behind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Good job! Good job! Excellent! We all love your train set. Where to now? Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Again! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right. Right leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back? Great! Super awesome! That's perfect! That was off the rails! Where to now? Forward! Left leads to McCall's farm. McCall's farm is coming up. Forward leads to the town square state. We're almost at the town square. Left leads to the town square. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or good job! Good job! That was a blast!